This is the complete inventory of the skies over the Second World War. Over 80 German machines, from canvas biplanes to the world's first operational jet fighters and bombers. Some are legends of aerial combat, some are engineering masterpieces, and some are concepts so desperate they were borderline suicidal. Get ready. This is every German aircraft that shaped the deadliest conflict in history. The backbone and the revolution, fast cuts, powerful engine sounds. Focus on the Me 109 Messerschmitt Bf 109, the undisputed workhorse and backbone of the Luft, evolving non-stop from 1939 to 1945. This liquid-cooled fighter fought on every major front. It was the spearhead of the Blitzkrieg and the aerial defender of the Reich. Focke-Wulf Fw 190. Allied pilots called it the Butcherbird, robust, powerful, and a nightmare to face. This was arguably the best radial-engined fighter of the entire war, providing crucial, heavy-hitting performance when the 109 struggled. Focke-Wulf Fw 152. Kurt Tank's masterpiece, a stunning, sleek machine designed specifically for high-altitude interception. It was incredibly fast, but this late-war gem arrived in numbers too few. Too late to change the tide. Messerschmitt Bf 110, the Zerstera, meaning destroyer, formidable early on. It was battered badly during the Battle of Britain. Its ultimate redemption, it found its true calling as a dedicated, deadly night fighter. Transition to jet rocket section. Music changes to futuristic, tense. Messerschmitt Me 262 Schwab Swallow, the world's first operational turbojet fighter. Its unmatched speed made it virtually invulnerable to any Allied piston-engined aircraft. A true revolution in aviation, a glimpse of the future. The Allies had to scramble to counter Messerschmitt Me 163 Comet, the infamous rocket-powered interceptor, the only one to see operational service. Its speed was terrifying, but the handling of its highly volatile fuel was often more dangerous than combat itself. A flight of sheer, a desperate velocity. Dornier Do 335 File Arrow, the extraordinary push-pull engine configuration. This heavy fighter was unbelievably fast, holding the distinction as the fastest piston-engined aircraft ever built by Germany. A magnificent, aggressive design. Heinkel He 219 Ahu-Al, arguably the most effective dedicated night fighter the Luftwaffe ever fielded. Packed with radar and firepower, it was the nocturnal bane of Allied bombers, and the first German aircraft fitted with ejector seats. Fear and firepower. Sound of the Jericho siren fades in. Focused shot on the Stuka dive Junkers Ru-87 Stuka dive bomber, the notorious face of the Blitz. Its chilling Jericho trumpet siren was the sound of terror on the ground, though vulnerable without air cover. Its precision dive bombing redefined early warfare. Junkers Ru-88, the versatile workhorse of the German bombing force. Fast, adaptable, and used for everything. Level bombing, dive bombing, torpedo attacks, and reconnaissance. It was the Luftwaffe's multi-tool. Heinkel He 111, instantly recognizable by its distinctive glazed greenhouse nose, an early war icon that served reliably throughout the conflict, including roles as a transport and, critically, AV-1 flying bomb launcher. Heinkel He 177 Griffin, the massive German long-range heavy bomber, plagued by engine fires and reliability issues, honoring the nickname the Flammable One. Despite the troubles, it was the only true long-range German strategic bomber. Era do 234 Blitz Lightning, the world's first jet-powered bomber and reconnaissance aircraft. Its speed was so phenomenal that intercepting it was virtually impossible, making it a ghost in the sky. Henschel HS-129 tank buster, nicknamed the Can Opener, heavily armored and often wielding a terrifying 30mm or 75mm cannon. This twin-engined monster was designed to go in low, shake off flak, and shred enemy tanks on the Eastern Front. The logistic giant's iconic shot of the three engines of the Ru-52, Junkers Ru-52, Junkers Ru-52, Tonkt Ru, Anti-Ru, the legendary tri-motor transport, the tireless corrugated metal workhorse essential in every theater, from Crete to Stalingrad. It truly kept the Luftwaffe flying. An immense six-engined transport designed to carry light tanks, trucks, and 200 soldiers. Its colossal size made it extremely vulnerable, but its ability to move truly massive loads was unmatched. Fieseler Fi 156 Storch, the most remarkable utility aircraft, possessing exceptional STOL short takeoff and landing capabilities. It could virtually hover and land almost anywhere, making it invaluable for secret liaison and command rescues. The eyes of the Reich. Focke-Wulf Fw 189, the Flying Eye, the outstanding battlefield observation aircraft. Its twin-boom glass-intensive design gave the crew an exceptional, panoramic field of view for tactical reconnaissance. A sturdy tri-motor flying boat, absolutely vital for long-range maritime patrol and reconnaissance over the Atlantic, hunting and directing U-boats to Allied convoys. One of the largest flying boats of the war, primarily serving as a long-range maritime transport, capable of massive haulage across the sea. DFS 230 glider, the famous assault glider used in the daring raid on Ibn Emel Fortress, a crucial, silent delivery system for early airborne forces. Messerschmitt Me 321, the biggest glider, designed to carry heavy equipment or 200 soldiers. Its immense size required the infamous use of 3 Me-110s or one monstrous He-111Z twin fuselage tow plane just to get it airborne. Transition to helicopters. Unique WWII sound effect. Focke-Wulf Fw 223 Dragon, a pioneering twin-rotor transport helicopter, built in small numbers. It demonstrated truly impressive lifting capabilities, a genuine vision of future vertical flight. Flettner FL-282 Calibri, a groundbreaking naval reconnaissance helicopter utilizing the unique synchronized rotor system. It was one of the first helicopters to be successfully deployed from warships, the foundation of the Luftwaffe Buckaroo 131 Jungmann Young Man. This primary biplane trainer was renowned for its responsive handling, establishing the superb standards of early German pilot training, the first step to becoming an ace Buckaroo 133 Jungmeister Young Master, a legendary advanced aerobatic trainer. Its agility was phenomenal, used to refine the skills of the Luftwaffe's most talented fighter pilots. WWII-96, the standard advanced monoplane trainer, designed to introduce student pilots to the speed and handling of modern operational aircraft, like the Me-109. From the humble He-51 biplane to the rocket-propelled insanity of the Nat. This was the machine power of the Luftwaffe, an overwhelming technical effort that, despite all its brilliance, ultimately could not overcome the material might of its enemies.